In compiler, 7th experiment going to see about parsing. Parser, first you are going to create about as a buffer reader and the input Java input string reader, and array list you are using, input Java scanner you are creating, and then class array stack you are using, and protector character of array, and then int top size we are creating, and then size is 20, and arrays character we are creating, and public void push character, and then top +1 and this greater than of size, and is input bounded expectation overflow expectations, and int top +1 size we are creating in this array. In this parser used to show the output about as a grammar table, and public character pop you are using, and then return of array top minus minus, and it is reducing function, and is a public void display creating with the display the grammars, and this for int I equal to top and I less than 0 I minus minus system.out.println array I, and public class parser is a main function we are creating, and string and transition is equal to new string 2020, and int alphabetical and statements state set, and array list string as alphabet, array list string alpha we have created. And then after using the buffer reader, br is equal to new buffer reader, new input stream of reader system.in and system.out.println creating number of terminals, and this number of non-terminals we are creating, and an integer parser int br read line, and then starting non-terminal of grammar we are created, or this is using a string alphabet as a new string of alphabet set, and this int I is equal 0 less than alphabet set I plus plus, and then array list we are using this alphabet, and then adding this functions, and then for that writing up print skin we using please enter all non-terminals simultaneously, and the string alpha new string statement set we are creating. And after that same way we are creating all these things of this array list, and this epsilon using, and then entering the row entry of transition table, and intra is equal 0 alphabets you are using string, and the read line and transition state you are using in s equal 0 less than in state set s plus plus, and alphabet set as r plus plus is incrementing the functions, and system out of println transition function using, and int y, and do function we are creating. This give the input of this parser and giving the input to the character, and the string input is equal to br dot read line, and array stack stk new array stack we are using. And then push function we are creating, and then stack string character input characters at index using, and then alphabet function alpha dot index of character a. Same way we are creating is another functions, and character chstk pop, and character equal to char character 3, and index plus plus is incrementing the function, else character is equal to and then after the stk push function we are creating, and then this is a dollar symbol we are using in character at index minus 1 dollar symbol, and passing is completed successfully. And then after the scan new scan system that you want to put the input of this table, and then y is equal scan next int, and while y equal to 1 we're running the function on this program. We're going to see about this way we create this function as put entering the number of terminals is 6, and non-terminal is 5, and starting non-terminal is grammar is e, and entering the terminal of simultaneously giving this all the symbols, and is non-terminal simultaneously all these alphabets of the terminals, and epsilon is using, and then giving this grammar name, and transition table you are using, and same way row wise of transition table, no entries of transition table, same like another thing we are creating, and then it's shown the output, it's shown this all this thing we are created and shown in the row way, and after that giving this input function is input character is a plus a star a dollar symbol and slash is shown this output as the stack name input name, and this output function, all this we have created in this functions. This way this one's passing is completely successful. This way we are creating this experiment as a passing functions.